Hello, everybody. Today I'm in Henderson at Hidden Beauty with my lovely client, Amy. And Amy is an amazing beauty therapist. And she is also a permanent makeup artist as well. So I will not talk more. Let's talk to Amy and know about her. Okay, Amy, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and your journey in the beauty industry?
Thank you so much, Holly, for coming. Hi, guys. My name is Amy. I'm definitely passionate about beauty. My journey started back in 2012 when I put my foot into the beauty industry. Giving you a bit of a background knowledge, I did work in banking, which I spent my 8 to 9 years.
Wow.
But I could see the beauty is in my brain, in my heart, everywhere. So, I feel really confident when I see ladies they feel happy about themselves, they feel confident about themselves.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And just making them special about and more confident in themselves, that is my happiness. Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. So good. So I know it's be a big jump from banking straight to the beauty industry. So what was the inspiration behind it?
My interest started from the eyebrows.
Right.
When I see those like 80s and 90s eyebrows overplugged, and either they had drawn eyebrows, which is uneven. So I was really passionate about how to fix that, how to fix those, the quick job. Not one comment, but the mold work where they do not give their 5 minutes to customers' face. Because eyebrow basically that frame the face.
Absolutely.
That is a very important part of the face.
Yes, absolutely.
And that's how it started.
Yes.
So I started investing in training and lots of experience, learning from others. And and that's how just giving people more confidence and enhancing what they already had.
Absolutely. And I know eyebrows speaks louder than words. And if you have your good eyebrows, you'll definitely look good and enhance your beauty. So good. Thank you, Amy, for sharing that. So I just want to ask you a question about your services. So what services you usually offer in your clinic?
My personal favorite is the permanent eyebrows.
Right.
I do lip tattoos and lash liner.
Yeah.
But my go-to and my most favorite is the permanent eyebrows.
Right.
Apart from that, we do lashes, lash lift, lots of facials. We use Tete products. It's most organic and natural facials.
Yeah.
And all the waxings and all the within pieces, threading, waxing, all the services.
Basically everything beauty needs. Okay, Amy, tell us a little bit more about the eyebrow tattoo, because I'm really interested into that topic. And I have done my eyebrows tattooed as well.
So you have experience.
I have experience. So I want you to share some knowledge if somebody is looking to enhance their eyebrows. Please explain everything to our lovely audience.
Sure. So basically, if someone is looking for long-lasting results, why we do the tattoo instead of doing the penciling. Penciling is we doing it every day.
Yes.
We just fill the eyebrows either with the powder or the pencil formula.
Yeah.
What it does, it took us at least 15 to 20 minutes. One eyebrow is going to be thicker, another one is going to be thinner.
It happened to me. When I didn't done my eyebrows. I don't have much growth on my brows. I used to make with the pencil, and sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down.
Yeah.
And
as a beautician, when back in the days I used to draw my eyebrows.
Yeah.
What used to do, it's one eyebrows is going to be perfect, and I'm so happy when the other side of the eyebrows is going to be such a bizarre that you feel okay.
Yeah.
We're just gonna remove both eyebrows, so hence we were spending 15 to 20 or sometimes half an hour to just fix that rose.
Absolutely.
So why is the tattoo important? First, it's a time saving. You don't want your eyebrows to be looking uneven in the morning.
Yeah.
For example, you do have a tattoo done in the morning. You don't have to look on your eyebrows at all.
Absolutely.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
You wake
you
up,
already
you
have
want
your
that.
tips. Yes.
And also it lasts. So once you get the tattoo done, it lasts at least up to 5 years.
5 years.
So you have the beautiful shade, you have the beautiful color,
Right.
and you don't have to worry about that in the
Right.
morning. For your special occasion, you don't have to do your eyebrows because you have so
Beautiful eyebrows. I totally understand. Yeah, because sometimes, because when I did my eyebrows tattooed, with my lovely client, and she mentioned that like sometimes it's a pigment your skin takes and some skin don't take. Can you explain a little bit about that as well?
Yeah, sure. So basically on that only what happened, if we have a super thick and oily skin, our skin doesn't take the pigment.
Right.
Because of the surface of the skin, it is quite thick, and the oil, we have lots of oil on the base. So what's gonna happen, our skin, because when we're working as a tattoo artist, we're working on second layer of the skin.
Right.
So we're not going the deep.
Yeah.
We are just working on the epidermis. So we pigmented the ink.
Yeah.
It's depend on every individual human, how
Right.
much the ink the skin will take it.
Yeah.
Hence the reason I might have a different result after getting a tattoo. You will have a different result.
results,
And that
yes.
comes to how your skin texture, how's your skin type.
Yeah.
The most perfect skin to get a tattoo done, a natural combination, and the dry skin.
Right.
Mostly oily skin. Yes, we do get the tattoo. We do give the beautiful eyebrows to the clients. But if someone have a super oily skin, it is a little bit tricky. They might lose the pigment more faster as compared to other skin types.
Oh, okay. So how long is the process for the retouch? So they have to do every 6 months or yearly? How it works?
With God grace, with my work, it is firstly I do want to let the customers know it's a 2-part application. We come for your initial appointments.
Yeah.
We shape your eyebrows, we give you the customized color in the eyebrow shape. Then you come back for your touch-up, which is 4 to 6 weeks.
Right.
And you're done for next 3 to 5 years.
Wow.
At least.
Wow.
And that is, as I mentioned earlier, my clients, they haven't come back. It's 3 years or 5. If I do follow up with them, they'll be like, "Oh, no, my eyebrows are beautiful."
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
so
in a way,
good.
you do save.
Yeah.
You do save. Let's say you're buying a pencil for $25 to $40. It's lasts you roughly 2 months.
2 months,
Where you can just accumulate that and spend over your tattoo.
Absolutely.
You will save for the long run.
Yeah. And also you are saving your time.
Your
as
time,
well. Yeah. And your brows are in a perfect shape.
Perfect natural.
Yeah. There's another question actually. One of my clients was asking, is that gonna help them with the gray hair?
The answer is no.
No.
Yeah. The reason we are not changing the hair growth.
Yes.
Your hair would remain same.
Yeah.
If you have started getting the gray hair, the pattern will not change the gray hair.
Yeah. So what we have to do for that?
You can pluck it.
Again,
We can pluck it, yeah.
Or
it's just
changing?
Yeah, the tip. On the
gray, yeah.
And that to a trick for that, you just add the developer first, leave it on, for a few minutes, and then you apply the tint on the eyebrow.
On the eyebrow.
Gray area,
Right.
yeah, and you will see the results. The gray hair will come out quite fast.
How long tint gonna work?
The normal tint, so it's a two type of tinting. The one is the normal tinting, which lasts up to 10 days.
Right.
So once you get the treatment done, it lasts 14 days. Where we have the henna, it's the more vegan, my personal favorite natural products.
Yeah.
It's a plant-based formula. It lasts up to 4 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
So we map the eyebrows, we give you the customized eyebrow shape, and then apply this henna formula. It lasts up to 4 weeks.
Oh, sure. Good. So my next question is about your experience working with Chetty products, working with the brand. How's that?
Absolutely loving it. I love your customer service. I love how you treat your client. How
Thank
much
you. It's a big compliment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
how
that.
much your efforts that's actually that I can see. And coming to the products, the one thing I really love about they are very natural. We based on natural
Yeah.
vegan,
Yeah.
and that's what you delivered. And our clients are absolutely loving the product
products.
range. Yeah, one of my personal favorite is skin firming oil.
Oh yeah. My next question that I'm gonna ask you about your go-to product from Getty Organics. Oh, that's amazing. So, what do you love
100%.
about that oil?
It is the texture of the oil and the smell. Basically, when you're doing even a basic skincare, you're not using any eye cream, toner, or anything. Wash your face and apply that oil on your face. You got your 100% 10 step of your skincare.
Oh, that's so good. So good to know about that. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so do you have any tips you would love to share with the other beauty therapists if they are looking to stock any range like from Getty Organics in their clinic? So what would you like to say?
I must say, if someone is really new to Kathy and they don't know how to start, where to start, what products they should have it in their clinic. My personal favorite skin brightening exfoliator, and then skin firming oil, as I mentioned.
Oh, yeah.
Hydrating mist toner.
Toner,
That's one of my
yes. Oh,
favorite.
yeah.
It's that rose smell and it's divine.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Now, the last question is about the beauty tips, which I normally ask my clients. So, would you like to share any beauty tips or skincare tips with our lovely audience?
It's basically beauty comes from within. But having said that, getting the regular facials done. I wouldn't say you do get every 2 weeks, but every 4 weeks, just get a cleansing done. So what it does, it sort of like active your cells, aging cells, and you see the difference on your skin when you do spend those $40 to $50 once a month.
Absolutely.
And that whole process of facial, it definitely improves your texture. And having a good skincare, that is very important. And if you are sort of not aware, then starting with the organic base, the Kathy products, starting with just the cleanser and eye cream or just oil.
It's amazing. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, natural is always best.
Natural is always,
always good. Good to go with those things. Thank you, Amy. Thank you so much for your time today, and I'm so happy that you give me your time today from your busy schedule. It's so good. Thank you so much. And if you are in Henderson and looking for your skincare needs or your facial need, or definitely if you want to enhance your eyebrows, come and check out Hidden Beauty and contact Amy. Stay safe and stay beautiful. This is Tony and Amy from Hidden Beauty.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.